Hello, today we will guide you through how to enable GPU in Kaggle. If you want to run machine learning or deep learning code faster, enabling a GPU in Kaggle can make a big difference. Kaggle provides cloud-based notebooks, and with the right session settings, you can access GPU acceleration directly from your browser. To begin, open Kaggle in your web browser. Once the site loads, look to the top left area of the page and click on Create. This is where you start a new project workspace. After selecting Create, choose Notebook. This opens a fresh Kaggle notebook, which is the environment where you can write and run code. If you are new to Kaggle, think of this as an online coding workspace that can be customized with different hardware options. When the notebook opens, move to the lower right corner of the screen and click on Session Options. This section controls the resources available to your notebook, including whether it uses standard CPU processing or accelerated hardware like a GPU. Inside Session Options, scroll down until you find the setting labeled Accelerator. This is the key option you need. If you can already see it, you are very close to finishing the setup. If the accelerator option does not appear, Kaggle may require additional account verification before hardware acceleration becomes available. In that case, go to your account settings and verify your phone number. Once that verification is completed, return to the notebook and check the session options again. This requirement helps Kaggle manage access to shared computing resources. When the accelerator setting is visible, click on Accelerator to open the available choices. You should then see hardware options that Kaggle supports for your notebook session. From the list, select a GPU option. In this example, choose the sample GPU. Once selected, Kaggle will update the session so your notebook can use GPU resources. Depending on the platform response, this may take a few moments while the environment refreshes. After that, your notebook should be ready to run with GPU acceleration enabled. This is especially useful for training neural networks, processing large data sets, or running code that benefits from parallel computation. As a final tip, always double-check the session settings before starting a long run, so you do not accidentally use CPU when you intended to use GPU. And if the notebook seems slow to update after changing the accelerator, give it a moment to reconnect. That's it. You have now enabled GPU in Kaggle.